Hey everyone! Hope you're all doing alright today. We're jumping into O-Level Biology Lesson 9, Transport in Humans. The circulatory system is a closed double circulation. The pulmonary circuit carries deoxygenated blood from the right side of the heart to lungs and returns oxygenated blood to the left side. The systemic circuit supplies the body and returns blood. Passing through the heart twice per complete circuit allows low pressure through delicate lung capillaries and higher pressure to body tissues. Blood transports respiratory gases, nutrients, hormones, urea and heat, linking exchange surfaces with cells. The heart has 4 chambers. Venae cavae enter the right atrium, the right ventricle pumps through the pulmonary artery, pulmonary veins enter the left atrium, and the left ventricle pumps through the aorta. Atrioventricular and semilunar valves prevent backflow by responding to pressure differences. The left ventricle has the thickest wall because it generates high systemic pressure. Septum separation prevents mixing. DNA holds the code, genes are functional stretches of that code, and chromosomes package it for cell division. Keep that nesting clear. Coronary arteries supply heart muscle. Blockage reduces oxygen delivery and can cause a heart attack. Arteries carry blood away under high pressure and have thick muscular elastic walls, narrow lumens, and no valves except near the heart. Elastic recoil maintains pressure between beats. Veins return blood at lower pressure, have wider lumens and valves. Skeletal muscle contraction helps push blood. Capillaries form extensive networks and have 1-cell-thick walls and narrow lumens, giving short dFyo distance and slowing cells near tissues. Climb the arrows. Cells build tissues, tissues build organs, organs cooperate in systems, and systems make the organism. Each level adds organization you cannot see at the level below. Vessel names indicate direction, not oxygen content. The pulmonary artery is deoxygenated. Plasma transports dissolved glucose, amino acids, carbon dioxide, urea, hormones, and heat. Red blood cells contain hemogloHbin, are biconcave and lack nuclei. Phagocytes engulf pathogens, lymphocytes produce specific antibodies and memory cells. Platelets release factors causing fibrin formation, trapping cells in a clot that reduces blood loss and pathogen entry. Tissue fluid forms when plasma is forced from capillaries. It exchanges substances with cells and mostly returns to blood, while excess enters lymph vessels. Climb the arrows. Cells build tissues, tissues build organs, organs cooperate in systems, and systems make the organism. Each level adds organization you cannot see at the level below. Heart rate and stroke volume determine cardiac output. Cardiac output equals heart rate x stroke volume. Exercise increases output to deliver more oxygen and glucose and remove carbon dioxide and heat. Pulse rate is an accessible proxy for heart rate, but recovery time and fitness comparisons require standard exercise, timing, and repeated trials. Cardiovascular disease risk is associated with smoking, inactivity, high blood pressure, diabetes, and diets high in some saturated fats. Association does not alone prove one factor caused an individual's disease. Trace circulation in one direction with oxygenation stated at lungs and tissues. For output, use consistent units. Beats minute x cm3 beat gives cm3 minute. At 72 beats minute and 70 cubic centimeters per beat, cardiac output is 5040 cubic centimeters per minute, or 5.04 dm3 minute. Do not label every artery oxygenated, confuse platelets with antibodies, or claim valves actively open. Distinguish heart rate, stroke volume, and cardiac output. Practice. Explain 2 capillary adaptations for exchange. Answer. 1-cell-thick walls shorten dFyo distance, extensive branching gives a large area, narrow lumens slow blood and place it close to tissues. Watch the numbers land in the matching symbols. Check that units cancel cleanly. If they do not, the setup is wrong even before the arithmetic. Practice. Heart rate is 150 beats minute and stroke volume 100 cubic centimeters. Calculate output in dm3 minute. Answer: 150 x 100 equals 15,000 cm3, all over minute equals 15 dm3 minute. Watch the numbers land in the matching symbols. Check that units cancel cleanly. If they do not, the setup is wrong even before the arithmetic. Okay, that's it for transport in humans today. Next lesson we'll move on to continue the course. Stay curious and see you in the next lesson.